So recently galing tayo ng Buscalan Village para magpatato kay AP1 at na-document natin ito gamit ang Insta360 Ace Pro. Ngayon excited ako dahil nandito na ang kanyang successor, ang Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Before we dive in, who or what is Insta360? Insta360 is a leading technology company that specializes in creating 360-degree cameras, action cameras, and accessories. Known for its innovative designs and advanced imaging technology, Insta360 cameras are popular among content creators, vloggers, and adventurers for their ability to capture immersive, high-quality footages. Even though their name has the number 360, they offer a wide range of products including the Insta360 One X, action cameras, gimbals, and webcams. Ito na kaya ang ipapalit natin sa matagal na nating gamit na brand na helmet camera? Let's find out! Now let's do the unboxing experience. Insta360 sent us this package at nakakatuwa dahil kumpleto na din pati mga accessories. Of course, the unit itself, which we will focus on later. We have the 256GB memory card, a quick release mount, a vertical horizontal mount, memory card reader, a PGY Tech multi-mount that can serve as a tripod and a selfie stick. A case, audio adapter, and a cold shoe mount. Bago mo magamit ang camera, you have to pair it with the phone using the Insta360 app, which you can download on the App or Play Store. Now let's take a closer look at the camera itself. It has a 1/1.3 upgraded sensor and Leica Summarit lens, which can now record up to 8K resolution at 30 FPS. So now this is 8K at 30 FPS. Can you see the difference in quality? So siguro sa phone, hindi nyo ito masyadong ma-appreciate, pero if you watch this on a bigger screen, makikita nyo yung difference. Tingnan nyo yung detail dito sa paligid natin. For me, 4K is more than enough for regular shooting, but it's nice to know na merong ganong option, just in case you want to use it. Parang in a way, flex na din siya ng muscles kung anong kayang gawin ng camera na to. It also now has a dual AI 5nm chip for superior image quality, and I can also tell that the UI is much smoother. Battery life, they claim, is up to 180 minutes on endurance mode at 1080p resolution. Fast charging din with 18 minutes from 0 to 80%. It also has gesture and voice controls, which can be handy especially on motovlogging. Low light performance is also much better using the pure video mode. Low light comparison with GoPro Hero 11 Black. What the? Night and day. Grabe. So yan, actually the GoPro represents yung darkness niya, no? Almost. Kaya kung makita nyo dito, very bright yung sa Ace Pro 2. Grabe. Look at the difference, MoTouristas. So walang inedit dyan, walang settings sa binago, except the pure video nitong Ace Pro 2. Holy. Alam ko hindi sila match kasi magka 2 generations apart, no? This is just to demonstrate yung capabilities niya, no? Yung ability niya, yung pure video niya, no? Grabe yung difference. So I think kahit sa wala kasi tayong na secure na Hero 13 Black, pero I think lamang na lamang pa rin si Ace Pro 2. This is one of the main features na pinagmamalaki ng Insta360. Maganda na ang sa unang Ace Pro, improved pa sa newest model. Now, this is the low light comparison naman ng Ace Pro, the first version, and Ace Pro 2. So, as I can see from here, nag-improve pa lalo, no? Kung makikita nyo, mas maliwanag na lalo and mas clear. Mas maganda yung picture or video quality ng Ace Pro 2. So, talagang upgrade siya. It's an upgrade. Audio recording also improved at meron pang windguard na removable. Andyan din syempre ang 2.5 inch na flip-up screen, which for me is a plus dahil walang replacement ang malaking display, lalo na for framing and vlogging. Waterproof ito up to 12 meters at merong dedicated underwater mode. Field of view is the widest among the competitors at 157 degrees. It is however the heaviest at 177.2 grams, but needing less accessories sa helmet mount, halos patas na din sa ibang action cameras. Compatible din ito sa ibang Bluetooth headsets like Cardo and Sena, syempre selected models. So ano bang upgrades nito compared sa Ace Pro 1? There's battery life with endurance mode, 50% longer lasting daw at 4K 30fps than the Ace Pro 1. Lens guard is now removable for easy replacement. It has increased focus distance, which is very important in my opinion. It has a clearer display, higher pixel density, and higher brightness. It is now waterproof up to 12 meters compared to 10. Can take 50 megapixel photos versus 48. It can now have active HDR at 4K 60fps versus 30fps only before. Oh, by the way, the older Ace Pro's accessories, including mount and batteries, are still compatible with the new Ace Pro 2. Nice! Now let's try it as our helmet camera. This is how it is for my motovlogging setup, with the same microphone that we used. Advantage nito is, pwede mo tanggalin. Then, easily transfer it here. The audio adapter is a lot more compact and is lighter. My favorite FOV or field of view is the Mega, so it will be extra wide with minimal distortions on the corners. You can also use the Action FOV for a wider shot, but has some distortions around it. So this is the Mega. This is the Action view. This is the Warp. So wider siya pero minimal yung distortion sa tabihan. Ito naman yung Ultra. This is the Linear. At the end of the day, it all boils down to the kind of scene you're going to shoot and your own preference. Let's test it out. So we are now testing the quality of the microphone or the audio, no? So yung kinabit natin dito is also the microphone that we used on our previous camera. So this is MoTour Pilipinas. Welcome to MoTour. This is JT and we're now practicing motovlogging using the Ace Pro 2 by Insta360. Now let's use the pure video on low light scenarios. Low light scenes. Kumusta ba ang low light performance? So it's night time kaya yung lights na lang ang pantulong natin. Let's see how it fares. It has 1080p, 2.7K, 4K, and 8K resolution at 24 FPS and up to 240 FPS for slow-mo. Overall, I'm impressed with this latest camera from Insta360. It has very good video quality, at least in my experience, and it's easy to navigate. It also has great low light performance and does not overheat like my previous camera. I personally also like the rugged yet still classy design, and as I mentioned, I prefer flip-up screens. No camera is perfect, and things that could be improved include a hard-to-press record button. The screen hinge sometimes feels too tight. Well, it gives the confidence in durability though, and it's a bit bulkier and heavier than the competing cameras. But all of these are nothing compared to the value the camera has to offer. So ngayon, siya na ang gagamitin nating main motovlogging camera at abangan nyo ang future extended review natin. For now, balik tayo sa planning ng mga biyahe para mas marami pang adventures ang maihatid ko sa inyo. Kita-kits sa susunod na vlog. Once again, this is JT of MoTour. Adios, motoristas!